Test. Good afternoon. Let's test first if I'm using a different microphone. It's so weird. Test. One, two, three, four. Let's test first, okay? Welcome, by the way. Weird. Test. One, two, three, four. Let's test first, okay? Welcome, by the way. Test. One, two, three, four. Okay. I think we're good. I think the audio is good. If it's not any technicalities, please just chat it in our live chat. Please allow me some moments to invite people to be in. Thank you for coming over. To those who are already in, thank you, thank you. I just invite people to come. Okay. We just invite some other people to come in. Let's test first, okay? Welcome. Okay. I hope you can still hear me. Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much. Those who are in right now, we have 2 to 4 people are in the chat, the live stream right now. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope I'm gonna help you. Talking about math and stuff. Okay. Yeah. Let me just check. All right. And did not wear my cap today because just so this is my hair. My hair it's like all over the place. By the way, thank you so much to Atelier Lumika. That's where I work. Uh, Here, hmm there. It's where I am right now. No other person is here. So yeah, thank you for allowing me to be here. Um, yeah, if you know of some people um, who may need this discussion, or yeah, want to know about more about this one, just share them this link, and even after the live, it will be published in my on YouTube channel, so you can just browse it after. Also, today we'll be talking about division of fractions, how we so love fractions and why they exist in the world. We have to divide them today. Okay, thank you very much for our viewers this afternoon. We have around 4 right now. Whoa, thank you. Again, we'll be talking about division of fractions. If you know anyone who might need this discussion, please share to them this link, this video right now, or perhaps later. It's still okay. Okay, this will be published on my channel after live. All right, let's just wait for a couple of people to come in, and yes, we will be starting again. My name is John Paul Oira, JP for short, here on my YouTube channel, JP on board. This is my fourth, I think, fourth live online class. Let me just check. Oh my God, the channel. Let's see. That's one, two, three, four. Yeah, this is my fourth. This is my fourth online math class, a supplement. This is a supplement with lessons you may have in your online classes, but most especially those who are taking modular classes where there's no discussion coming or happening. So you may need a discussion like this one. This could help you. And yeah, supplement the of the lessons your teachers have been um, putting together for you. All right. Thank you very much for our consistent viewers. And um, I had talked about this is my fifth actually. My my fifth. I already talked about PMDAS and then GCF, LCM, how to get them, addition and subtraction of fractions, and last week we talked about some concepts of multiplication and division. And this time, we'll be talking about division of fractions. Again, a disclaimer, I got this module from an elementary student here in Dumaguete City. I don't own the module. I just want to discuss this, re-discuss this if you've discussed this already with your teacher. Um, yeah, and ito siya. In Bisaya. So, pwede ko mag-Bisaya. English, Bisaya, Cebuano. You can ask me questions via the live chat in in the channel, and you can also actually send me your module. We have a chat here. Uh, we actually have a module. Uh, I mean, like to send me your modules. If you have modules you wish for me to discuss, just send it to me. I'm. Is there a messaging here in YouTube? I guess there's none. But you can contact me on Facebook. My name is John Paul Oira. That's Oira. You can send me your modules there if you wish to meet for me to discuss these things. Okay? Yeah. All right. Um, let's check. So we have some 4 viewers. I guess we can start so that we can finish early. Okay. Now, huh. Again, division of fractions today. Let's just check if I can be heard. IRA, you can send me your modules there if you wish to meet for me to discuss these things. Okay? Okay, I think it's okay. Excuse me. All right. Let us try to start. We'll start now. Okay. Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. My name is JP, um, your online teacher. Let's start our lesson again. We'll be talking about division of fractions. Um, as you can see there, example 3 over 2 are divided by 1 over 2 or 1 half is equal to what? The first one is a dividend. The next term is divisor, and the answer is the quotient. And how do we divide the fraction? Again, I got this module from a student, grade 5 student in Dumaguete City. I don't own this one. I just want to try to discuss this for you guys, okay? All right. Before we head into the concept of division of fractions, let's try to visualize, according to the model here, visualize division of fractions, okay? So, yeah. Mhm. Visualize. When we visualize, um, I, I think I need three monitors. I only have two right now. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's try this one. Okay. I think. Okay. Now, mhm, let's try this. Okay. Let's visualize. Excuse me. I just want to arrange this in a bit. The things that I have. It changes. Okay, excuse me. I'm sorry. Let me just arrange this further, right? Okay. Is it clear? I think it is clear. Okay, just want to know that I'm actually in. Mm-mm. Let me check. I'm sorry. Okay, I think we're in. Okay. All right. Let's do this. So let's visualize division of fractions first. Before we get on the concept, let's try to see how these fractions are divided um, using a visualization. Okay. Now to visualize division of fractions, the following steps are to be followed. First, draw a picture or pictures to show the dividend. The dividend is the first part. This you can see uh, the infographic here. The dividend is the first one, the first term, 3 over 2, according to our infographic. And the divisor is the second one. Then draw lines to show division of each unit by the divisor. And then we draw lines with the divisor and count the parts to find the quotient. How do we do that? Let's have an example here. Um, 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 6. There's a trick here how to do this, but first let's visualize, okay? Okay, by the way, if you have questions, if I'm not clear, don't hesitate to ask and comment, okay? So let's try that. All right, okay. Oh, it's a bit big now. All right, okay. So we have here 2 over 3. Again, to those who just came in and browsed saw my live, I'm using paint and a mouse to write, so it's not really beautiful. Okay, handwriting. Okay, my handwriting, normal handwriting, pen and paper, is not good. All the more using the mouse. So 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 6 equals n. So visualization. Okay, mentioned here, draw a picture or pictures to show the dividend. So dividend o sa da. Dividend here is 2 over 3. So ang iyang picture is mga columns lang. So 2 over 3, um, sa denominator ta mag-base kung pila ka parts ang kuan ang pila ka blocks or pila ka cells atong buhaton sa divisor. So tulo ka book cells kay gi-divide ato tulo ang rug item. So, kay two-thirds man siya. To, ang gi-divide. So, 3. So, natay example, natay kuan diri, kung gi-visualize, natay box. Tuluman, 3 ang size sa ilalo. We have 3 as a divisor. I mean, denominator. Let's divide these rectangle into 3. Kay tuluman ka buok. Okay. Assuming this is an equal part ha. So, tulo, 1, 2, 3. Now, um, each of this cell here is 1/3. Usa siya sa tulo ka buok. So, this is 1/3. 1/3. Again, assuming this is equal size, 1/3. Ana. Dayon, sa 2/3 nato, duwa lang. Duwa aning tagsa ka part. So, kani ang 2/3 atong ikuan. Kana siya, atong i-shadean. Okay. Kana ang 2/3. Duwa ka 1/3. Then, the same. Kuan taog the same na kuan, the same na rectangle sa um, divisor na pod 1/6. Ato i-divide ang divisor into 6 kabuok. I mean, ang iyahang rectangle, 6 kabuok. 6 equal parts. For example, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang usa ka part is 1/6. Okay, 6 man siya kabuok. So, that's 1, 2, yan, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diba? And then, 1/6 naman atong kailangan na atong gamiton, atong i-shade ni siya, mo ni siya. Okay, now, or, not necessarily shade siya, sorry. Kana. Then draw lines to show the division of each unit by the divisor. So muna itong each sa divisor is 1/6. So 1/6 na siya tanan. Dayon, atong i-count kung pila ka buok 1/6 ang nasulod sa 2/3. Okay? So kani siya ang 2/3, guys. This one. Kani siya ang 2/3 natin, no? 2/3. Natong i-count kung pila ka buok ang 1/6 na nasulod sa 2/3. So natay, pila ka buok? 1/6. Diri siya, taman ra? Diri siya taman? Okay. Natay 1, 2, 3, 4. Dahil na upat ka buok 1/6 na nasulod sa 2/3 na shade. So answer is 4. I think hatong i-check to verify. Tadang! It's correct. 4. So 4 atong answer. Okay? Ano siya? Okay, kagets ta, gamay, slide. So, show 2/3. Show 2/3 first. Atong gi-divide na atong rectangle to tulo ka buo kay tulo man ang iyang denominator. And then, unsa sa tulo ka buok, unsa ang i-combine, kung pila ka buok na i-combine na imong 2/3. So, 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. So, muna siya. Ang ato ang 2/3 kani siya. And then sa silong na po, mag-draw ta og rectangle. And then, draw lines or trade pieces to show the division of each unit by 1/6. So 6 na po siya. Sorry, natuwa akong kuan. 6 na po siya. Ato i-divide og 6 ang rectangle sa silong kay 1/6 man siya sa 6 kabok equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, sa 2/3 sa taas, pila kabuk ang nasulod na 1/6. Natay upat ka buok. 1, 2, 3, 4. Munang 4 ang answer. Okay? No, there are 4 1/6 in 2/3. The answer is 4. Okay? Let's try to answer this one. Multiplication na ganun. Division lang ito. Or na-save lang na division. Okay. Muna siya ang pag-visualize nato sa ato ang division of fractions. Okay, let's check first if we have comments. Okay, we don't have. Let's continue. All right. Next na to, let's try to answer this. Shade lang man eh. So, I think dili lang siya. Okay. Shade the figures indicating the dividend and the divisor in the number sentence and then give the quotient. I guess this is typographical error lang. This is supposed to be divide. So number 1 nato is 1/2 or 1/2 divided by, I think this is divided by, okay, division na to ang divided by divide na operation kay division ni siya na topic na typo ra ni siya. And then shade the figures indicating the dividend and the divisor in the number sentence and then give the quotient. So, katong gi-visualize na nakasayon ani niya kay na-divide na daan. So, ito lang ikopya on, mag-shade lang ta. Okay? Okay, itong i-follow lang. Assuming I'm doing this in equal manner. Assume lang. Assume. So, the mga assume these days. Charot. Okay. Alright. So, gi-divide na daan niya. Ang 1/2 is kaning nasa first na tong row, and then 1/4 ang second row. Okay, gi-divide og 4 ang usa ka entity. Okay, so kani ang 1/2, usa ka 1/2, usa ka 1/2. So this 1/2, this is 1/2. Okay, and this is 1/4. Okay, ang second row gi-divide og upat ka buok. So upat ka 1/4 ana. Okay. Okay. Dayon, ingon siya na shade the figures indicating the dividend. So, atong balikan tong taas, 2/3 siya, so duha ka buok, 1/3 niyang gi-shade. So, 1/2 naman siya, so usa atong shade. Kanirang first, okay, assuming na shade na siya tanan. And then, um, and the divisor in the numbers, ang divisor pod. So, kani siya is 1/6 siya, so usa ra ka buok. Kani siya is 1/4, so usa ra sad. Okay, kana ang atong gi-shade. Okay, so kung klaro kon lang, without the kuan, without the label, uy, wala ko na yung label. Without the label, shade lang, kay shade lang ang gisulti diri. So, ga-shade ta sa 1/2, this is 1/2, and ga-shade siya og ga-shade ta og 1/4. So, that's how you shade according to our textbook or this exercise. No. Dayon, give the quotient. So, pila ka buok 1/4 indicating the dividend and the divisor. Yeah, I think that's okay. Pila ka buok 1/4 ang nasulod sa 1/2. So, muna ang 1/2. This is the 1/2. Pila ka buok 1/4 nasulod sa 1/2? 1, 2. So, 2 ang answer. I think so. Ito na i-verify ha kay masayop na po kung kaulaw. Okay. 1/2 divided by 1/4, it's 2, it's correct. So, pila kabok ang nasulod na um, na 1/4 sa 1/2. Natay dua. Okay? Let's try number 2. Sakto ra. Okay. Number 2. Let's check first if natin mga comments at technical errors. Yes. Hello, shout out nato sa atong kuan regulars, akong mga cousin. Si Angel, hello to Mima also, to David, to Jaden, and to Kisha. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Okay. Okay. Sige, let's try to answer the other other example. Okay, next is 2/4 divided by, so divide din siya, division din siya. Typo lang yun. Equals blank. So, nanap siya drawing daan diri, so it's easy. Assuming that my drawing is actually pretty and equal. Okay. There's something wrong. Sa pang drawing. Kay 2 over 2 naman. Sa pang drawing, I believe so. Let's do another one. So, um, 2 over 4. So, ang ilalom is 4. So, atong i-visualize siya. I-divide na itong 4 ang first row. 4 lang. Kulang ang atong drawing sa textbook, sa module. And then, um, so each aning cell is 1/4. So, 1/4, 1/4, and so on. Ang next row is 8. 8 kabuok, 1/8. Ito i-divide into 8 kabuok equal parts, assuming equal na sila. 8 kabuok, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kabuok. So 1/8 ang usaana. So ang atong is-shade. So 2 over 4 or 2 over 4, duwa ka 1/4. So shade ta. Shade po diri. And 1/8 asa kabuok. And atong i-count, so this becomes 2 over 4. Pila ka book 1/8, since these are all 1/8 sa silong, pila ka book 1/8 ang nasulod sa 2 over 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ang answer. Let's verify. It's correct. So that's how you do it. That's how you use visualization of fractions to get the quotient. Okay? Visualization pa lang ni siya. Move forward ta sa actual. True or false lang ni siya. The same concept. Tell if the number sentence matches with the figure. Write true if yes, false if no. Let's try to answer this first. Um, so 4 over 10, divide ya po ni siya ha, typo lang dyan ni siya. Divided by 1 over 5 is equal to 2. If the number sentence matches with the figure. So, assuming this is supposed to be right, a number sentence, sakto ba ang atong figure? So, 4 over 10, atong i-divide ang first row into 10 equal parts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's correct. And then, ang silong, second row, is for the 1/5. So, divide na to atong second row into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Makita man ako ang cursor. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Dayon, and then ang pag-shade. So 4 over 10, upat kabuk parts atong i-shade. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. And then 1 over 5, usa ka part nga to ang i-shade. 1. And then, sa 4 over 10, kaning upat ka book, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 over 10, pila ka book ang nasulod na 1 over 5 or 1/5? We have 1, 2. So, dua ka buok. So, the answer is 2. Okay? Verify sa ta. It's correct. 2 ang answer. Ako na lang isulat ha para ma-visualize niyo yung tarong. So, 4 over 10 divided by 1 over 5 is equal to 2. That's actually correct. But pag ang figure, sakto ba? So, natawag figure. Okay. First row would be for this one. Kani ang first row. Okay. So, over 10 man iyahang ilalom or denominator is 10. Let's divide the first row into 10 equal parts. So, assuming na straight na siya and equal. Okay. Okay, that's 10 equal parts, quote unquote, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1/5 is a silong. Okay? Visualization lang niya ha. Napatay ka ng how to really use it, how to compute it later. Divide ang silong of 5 ka equal parts kay 5 atong denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Assuming it's straight and equal. And then, shade ta. Sa taas, atong first row, upat ka buok. Okay, 4 over 10 man. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's similar, that's correct. Sa ilalong, 1 over 5, so 1 lang. However, kani ato lang tawon sa first part, kana atong i-break na sila. Pila buk 1/5 ang nasulod sa 2, 4 over 10. So we have 1 and 2. So duwa ka buk, that's why the answer is 2. So it's true. True ang number 1. Okay? Let's try number 2 first. Before then I proceed. So next is 9 over 12 divided by 1 over 4. So sa first row na to, since over 12 man siya, i-divide to 12 equal parts ang row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's correct. The next is ang 1/4, i-divide itong second row into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, shade ta, 9 kabuok ang sa first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's correct. And 1/4, so 1. 1 lang. That's correct pag shade. Now, sa 9 over 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Diri taman. Pila kabuk ang nasulod na 1/4? We have 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. This is also true. Verify lang ta. 9 over 12 divided by 1/4 is 3. That is correct. This is also true. Okay? May tatag false. 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Let's try number 4. I guess it is false. Try lang, ha? So 1/2 divided by 1 over 10 is equal to 1. Kuno. Okay, verify if it's true or false. Now, let's create the figure visualization. Assuming this is a straight line. Oh my god, so great. Not nice. Okay. Alright, this one. Okay. Okay, so first nato na row is 1/2. So 2 or 1 over 2. 2 iyang denominator. This one, 2. I-divide ito ang first row into 2 equal parts. So that's, okay, 1 and 2. Sa second row is for the 1 over 10. Atong divide ang, excuse me, i-divide ang second row into 10 equal parts. So, let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal parts. Then shade the 1/2. So, usa lang ka part, ani. And 1 over 10, usa lang pod. Pero, pila ka buok, so dirita mo, ato i-break sa 1/2 ta mo lang taw lang. Pila ka buok, 1 over 10 na part, kani, this part is 1 over 10, equal parts. Pila ka buok 1 over 10 ang nasulod sa 1/2? Let's count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be the answer. This is false. Because the answer is 5. Allow me to verify, please. Correct, it should be 5. This is false. As example, the false. Yeah. Okay? Alright, so let's move forward. Okay, under reverse style, let's first check our comments. Okay, no comments, we're fine. Thank you very much, our 3 viewers. You can still share this link sa ato ang um, people who are watching. Okay. I mean, those who would need this one. All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Let us continue. Okay. How many minutes are we already talking? Huh? 35 minutes at taas na pa itong story, ano? Reverse that. Okay. Okay, this one is visualize the following number sentences by drawing a model. Our model is this mrag table form. No. Okay, let's try this. 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 12. Okay, first row is our dividend, and second row itong divisor. Okay, check that ha, kadali lang ha. How you all doing today? Mhm. Dividend divisor. First dividend is the first row, so let's create our visualization by creating a figure. Okay, that's this one. Okay, and divide it for two rows. All right. First one is 1/2 or 1 over 2. Since 2 ang divisor, yeah, 2 ang divisor, ato i-divide ang first row into two equal parts. Assuming this equal parts, this is 1/2, and this is another half. Ito ka 1/2, no? Ang divisor is 1 over 12, so 12 ang iyahang denominator, ato i-divide into 12 equal parts ang second row. Then is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 equal parts man siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each of this small cell is 1 over 12. Okay. Now, shade Dani, this is 1/2 shade, and then 1 over 12 shade. And then since 1/2 atong dividend, ato siyang mura atong i-check, ato lang tawag ato i-break na siya. Okay, that's the only part that we need to analyze. So pila habok ang 1/12? 1 over 12 ang nasulod sa ato ang 1/2. Okay, pila habok ana nasulod? Atong i-count. No? Okay, this is 1/2. This whole thing here sa taas na itong i-break. Pila kabuk ang 1 over 12? We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6, which is mo inaadali sa ato ang module. Mulang ni siya ang atong visualization. Okay, that's how you visualize dividing fractions. Right? Okay. Sige. Checking if we have some comments. Because we don't have. Okay. Yeah, I think you can all hear me well. Alright. Continue that. Okay. Alright. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the next part. This is how you visualize number sentences for division of fractions. Okay. Now, um, after visualization of fractions, check na po kung madung po. Yeah, I think you can all hear me well. Okay, I guess so. All right. Now, kaniha mo tong visualization of fraction. Actually, that's the first time I saw this kind of explanations of fraction. It's actually good to visualize this manner. Um, yeah, I don't remember discussion about this when I was in elementary, kaning visualization, but it's a good uh, style of trying to understand fractions, no, dividing of fractions. Now this one is ano ta, um, the actual solving of it, no? Without visualization. So, kung visualization lang is para lang ta makasabot kung ano, kung sa pag-divide, anong 1/2 na divide of 1/12 and all those stuff. Karon, um, the concept, the how to solve it without drawing or without visualization. Okay? So, um, let's see our module here. Let's read it. Okay. Divide simple fractions and whole numbers by a fraction and vice versa. That is simple fraction lang sa ta, ato i-divide simple fractions and whole numbers by a fraction. So natin simple fraction or whole number, i-divide the fraction and vice versa or the other way around. To divide fractions, number one, change the um, division sign, kaning atong division sign, to multiplication sign or the x, and get the reciprocal of the fraction to the right of the sign or the divisor. So, una, moto na multiplication ganyan kaya na typo to siya kay moto dapat ang sa silong kanang way to divide na to siya. And kani siya, kung natin naubok fractions, guys, so atong i-change ang sign from division to multiplication. And then, atong get ang reciprocal sa divisor. Kung sa reciprocal, balihon nato ang positioning sa divisor, sa fraction sa divisor. Dayon, we multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Rewrite your answer in the simplified or reduced form if needed. Don't worry, we'll have an example later on. Now, next one is divide a whole number by a fraction. If you have a whole number meaning dili fraction, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, convert the whole number to a fraction. We convert the whole number to a fraction first. That is, make the whole number the numerator of a fraction having 1 as a denominator. For example, if you have a whole number of 4, how to create this as a fraction? Simply by copying 4 and putting the fraction sign na kanang line and placing 1 sa denominator. So 4 as a whole number is actually equal to 4 over 1 as a fraction. And then similar, get the reciprocal of the divisor or the second term, multiply the fractions and simplify if necessary. Let's have examples. Okay? And another one is divide a fraction by a whole number. Kung the other way around, multiply the given fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Simplify if necessary, dividing simple fractions. For example, if mag-divide ta og fraction and a whole number, ang whole number, ato na siyang kaon iyang reciprocal, and then the reciprocal is the bali sa fraction. Um, and then multiply it. Okay, we'll have an example. Dividing simple fractions. So we have here 1 over 2 or 1/2. Yes, 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 6. So what is the answer? That's dividing simple fractions or simple fractions. The first step, according to here, is change the sign, division sign to multiplication. So, kani siya, change into multiplication. And get the reciprocal of the fraction to the right of the sign or the divisor. So, get the reciprocal of 1 over 6. Unsa ang reciprocal? Reciprocal is the reverse of uh, of a fraction. It's a correct term. Let's Google it. Reciprocal. The definite meaning is reciprocal is simply 1 over the number or no. The reverse, the inverse of a number. Okay? Inverse. That's the inverse of the number. Ang bali sa number. Okay? Right. Okay. So, reciprocal is ang bali ani. So, bali sa divisor. 1 over 6 atong divisor. Ang baliho nato ni siya, may mo siya 6 over 1. Okay? And then, just copy the dividend, which is a 1 half. Next, um, step number 2 is multiply the numerators. One time, numerators nato is 1 og 6. The denominators is 2 and 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Next is rewrite your answer in its simplified or reduced form. So, simplified form. Ma-divide mo siya. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Let's check. Exacto. It's correct. 3 ang answer. Okay? Again, 1 half or 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 6. Copy nato ang atong dividend is 1 half. It will stay the same. Ang division na sign, himo na to multiplication na sign because we will do the multiplication. And atong balihon or get the reciprocal sa divisor, which is 1, 6 here, bali ani is 6 over 1. And then we multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And then we get the um, simplified form. 6 over 2 is 3 and the answer is 3, which is mga module. Okay? Okay, so that's it. Again, muna siya ang answer. Next one, dividing a whole number by a fraction. So, fraction na ta. Na I whole number na siya. Okay? 5. 5 is a whole number. Di siya fraction, di ba? Divided by 3 over 2 is equal to what? It's equal to n. N represents the answer. Okay, first let's go back to our steps. Convert the whole number to a fraction. Atong whole number is 5. That is, make the whole number the numerator of a fraction having 1 as the denominator. Pag convert ani into fraction is actually just copy the number and that is over 1. 1. 5 over 1 is actually 5. Mora siya pag-convert nato from whole number into fraction. Okay? And then the same atong gibuhat, ang divide na sign, imo atong multiplication. Get the reciprocal of the divisor. 3 over 2 now becomes 2 over 3. And then we multiply both terms or both fractions. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. That's 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. So that is the answer, 10 over 3. Ay, sa'yo. Ha? Okay. Ano wala nag-reciprocate? Sa number 3. 3 over 2. Sabat reciprocate. No? Let's verify na lang din kay Marag na typo na pad. Yan. That's the answer. Naray typo na po na to. Wala ni reciprocate ng kuan sa module. Pero it's supposed to be like that. 5 divided by 3 over 2 is equal to 10 over 3. Okay? That's the answer. Naray typo sa module. Okay, next. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so fraction na to, 1 over 6. Gidivide na to siya og whole number na 4. So 4 is not a fraction, it's a whole number. So let's first convert the whole number into a fraction. So 1 over 6 divided by 4, to become a fraction, let's just write down a denominator of 1. Because 4 is equal to 4 over 1. 4 divided by 1, or 4 over 1 is just 4. Okay, so you have that already. Next is copy the dividend, change the sign, change the division sign to multiplication, and get the reciprocal of 4 over 1. So the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is, ang bali sa 4 over 1 is 1 over 4. Okay? And then we multiply the numerator, both numerators, and multiply the denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 4 is 24. And that is already its simplest form. That's the answer, 1 over 4. Okay? We get that? That is how you divide a fraction by a whole number. All right. Let's move forward. Okay. Think we have examples na ta or more examples? All right. Analyze and solve the problem carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. So this is a lot. Let's try to answer tagsa or dua. Okay. First, 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. So both are fractions is equal to n. N represents the answer, the quotient. 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. Okay? Now, let's go back to our steps in dividing two fractions. So divide simple fractions first. We'll just copy then the dividend, 5 over 6. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. And get the reciprocal of the divisor. So 1 over 3 atong balihon, may mo siyang 3 over 1. And then multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So numerators nato is 5 and 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, so it's 15 over 6. Now, pwede pa siya ma-simplify. Uh, if kompleto mo ma-simplify, get the uh, common factor, greatest common factor nila. Sakto ba? So it's actually 3. So 15 divided by 3, just to simplify this, divide. Ay, wrong. Di ako muna nahakil. Kasi gumaset ko sa technicalities. But 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. 5 over 2 ang answer. I hope sakto ta. Naaba din siya sa atong 5 over 2. Gihimo niya. Oh, don't tell me to make it as sana mixed form first. But let me just verify. Okay. Before we convert into mixed form. So 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3 is 2.5, or 5 over 2, which is 5 divided by 2 is actually correct. So that's correct. It's 5 over 2. Then we will change it to mixed form. Mixed form siya, kaya itong choice has mixed form man. So 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2, pilabog 2 sa 5, we have 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 divided by 2 can't be naman. So ato ni copy ang remainder diri sa taas. And copy the divisor. So 2 and a half. Ang ato ang simplified form or mixed form sa 1 over 2. So 2 and a half. And we have an answer here, letter B. Letter A. 2 and 1 half. Okay, that's the answer. 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3 is equal to 2 and 1 half. Okay, let's answer number 2. Okay, 2 divided by 9. Okay, divided by, sorry, 2 over 9 divided by 1 over 4. Let's just copy the first term, our dividend, 2 over 9. Okay, change the division sign to multiplication. Get the reciprocal of 1 over 4, that will become 4 over 1. And multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay, just checking some comments if we have. So 2 times, sorry, 2 times 4 is 8. 9 times 1 is 9. That's 8 over 9. Try plugin eh. Wala siya sa selection. Oh dear. Let's try to verify na lang ha kung kahit ko or say napatay typo. This is correct. The answer is correct. Aha, the answer is correct. Um, okay, let's just verify this. They think the answer is correct, but I don't know why the koan is not this different. There's no koan, no choices. Okay, verify that's Google. The answer is 8 over 9. It's really correct. The answer is 8 over 9. My answer is correct. That it's not in the choices. Okay? I don't know why. Typo na po again siya, no? Typo. Okay, let's try another example. Whole number 6 divided by 3 over 5. Okay, 3 over 5. So what to do? Make the whole number a fraction first by placing in over 1 or 1 as a denominator. I-change ang sorry, division sign to multiplication. Get the reciprocal or bali sa atong divisor. So ang 3 over 5 ay mo siya 5 over 3. And then multiply ang numerators and multiply the denominators. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30 over 1 times 3 is 3. And we actually can divide this pa. Okay? So, atong kung kuan siya, division, ato i-divide na siya, get the simplest form, 30 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Ayan. Sakto ba yun? Kung gibuhat. 3 minus 3, 0. And 0. So, carry over 0. So, 10 ang answer. Okay? And that has a choices. Choice number B. Okay? A choice letter B. Okay? Muna siya ang atong answer. Sakto ba no? 30 divided by 3 is 10. Okay, it's correct. Okay? Alright. Let's move forward. Next solution. Ayan. Let's try number 7, which is a fraction divided by a whole number. Okay. That's number 7. 3 over 15 divided by 20. That's my answer. So first, let's just copy the numerator, 3 over 15. And ang ato ang um, atong divisor sa second term, himo na to og fraction. Okay? So 20, pag himo to siya fraction, ato ra butangan og over 1. Okay? And then change this division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. 20 over 1 and masyag 1 over 20. Then ato siyang i-multiply ang numerators, ang taas na value, and multiply po ang nasa silong, ang atong denominators. 3 times 1 is 3. 15 times 20, palabantag calculus. 15 times 20 is 300. Okay? And then simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 300 divided by 3 is 100. So 1 over 100, and it's letter B. Okay? I just want to verify this. Okay, let's try to verify our answer online. You can actually search online, no? How to kuan kanang get your answers with solutions po online. It's 1 over 100. It's correct. Tito or mommies there, or titos, or atas, kuyas, or yourself, tech savvy naman itong mga bata these days. You can actually, if you have internet at home, since you're watching me, so perhaps not you get internet pod, you can actually Google how to do this online raman pod. They have fractions calculator, any kind of calculator, just search for them. And some even have solutions with steps. Just right now, I'm looking at calculatorsoup.com. That's calculatorsoup.com. That's calculatorsoup.com. Calculatorsoup.com. You can actually, there are several calculators there. Just input the numbers and then you get an answer and a solution. Just make sure you understand it. Okay? But that's the answer. Okay. All right. So how many minutes na ta? 1 hour na ta. So let's wrap it up. Okay. Analyze the expression carefully and write the letter of the correct answer. Let's just answer one item. 3 over 11 divided by 5 over 9. What to do first? Just copy the first term or the dividend. 3 over 11. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. And then the divisor, imong balihon, get the reciprocal from 5 over 9. Imo siya 9 over 5. And just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9, para sure. 27, that's correct. And then 11 times 5 is 55. Verify. It's correct. And then, try to get the simplest form. Kung wala na, kung na po answer diri, that's letter A. 27 over 55. I'll just verify with the calculator online here. 3 over 11 divided by 5 over 9. Okay, the answer is 27 over 55, which is correct. Okay, letter A. Okay, and then you have word problems, analyze and solve the problem carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. Okay, which one shows the quotient of 12 to 2 over 3? Quotient of 12 to 2 over 3. So 12 divided by 2 over 3. Ano na siya patong pag-analyze. So, whole number ang 12, himon sa na siya og kuan, fraction by putting over 1. Ang division sign, himo o multiplication sign, ang 2 over 3, balihon, himo siya 3 over 2, and then just multiply the numerators and the denominators. 12 times 3 is 36. 1 times 2 is 2. Get the simplest form, 36 over 2, or 36 divided by 2 is 18. It's letter C. Okay, let me just verify that, please. 12 divided by 2 over 3. Okay. The answer is 18. It's correct. No? Right. Let's check the bottom. Wala na. Okay. I'll answer paano lang. Kaning last na tanin. Last na item. Okay? Kailan na ta? We're done. Yes, yes, yes. Which is the correct quotient number 10 ta? Which is the correct quotient to 3 over 10 and 7 over 10? So let's 3 divided by 10. Sorry, 3 over 10. Sorry, 3 over 10 divided by 7 over 10. Ayan. Copy the first term or the dividend. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Balihon na to ang second term or ang divisor. From 7 over 10 ay mo siya 10 over 7. And then, multiply. 3 times 10 is 30. Ayan. 10 times 7 is 70. You get the kuan. Um, list, I mean, simplest form siya. So, pwede have to cancel ang zeros actually, or from here. Or divided by 10 ang each. So, 30 divided by 10 is 3. 70 divided by 10 is 7. So, 3 over 10, which is letter C. Diri. Itong i-verify lang sa atong calculator para short ka sa atong lipang yaw-yaw over here. It's correct. 7 over 3. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So we don't have questions. That's it. That's how you divide your fractions. Just don't forget atong steps na to para balikan, just for you to remember. First, change the kanisha atong i-change ning division sign to multiplication sign. And then get the reciprocal. Ang reciprocal sa ato ang second term or our divisor, balihon nato siya. 7 over 10, may mo siya 10 over 7. Then just multiply ang numerators, 3 times 10, 10 times 7, and then simplify. Kung naapod tay whole number, ato rang i-himon sa fraction ng whole number by putting over 1 sa iyang ilalong, and then do the same process. Okay, that's how you divide fractions, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, mura to siya. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for listening to our live this afternoon. This is division of fractions. If you know of someone who may need this or having a lesson about this week, please share to them this video. They can learn from this. More so if they are using the same module and or the same topic, similar concept, similar how to do it, how to divide fractions. Please share to them this video, and if you want, please subscribe to this channel for more videos, live tutorials from your modules to get and click the notification bell to get notified if I go live, or go to my, perhaps follow me in my Facebook account, John Paul Noel Oira, so that you'll know when will I do the live. It's usually end of week, either Friday or Saturday, either 3 or 4 p.m. And then, yeah, um, let's learn. Let's relearn or rediscuss your modules here on my channel, JP On Board. And don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, share this video, To those who may need this video, if you want to review, please share this one. I also have other videos. My kind of my hobbies and some of my trips are also in the video, so yeah, subscribe if you want to. Thank you so much, and if you have modules for me to discuss, just send them to me, my a Facebook account, John Paul Noel Oira. I can review them and let's discuss them next week. Okay, daghang salamat sa tanan na naglantaw karon sa some of our 2 to 4 viewers. Daghang salamat, but again, I can still share this video even if after the live. Thank you so much. And if you have no questions, then bye bye, ladies and gentlemen. Daghang salamat and have a great weekend. God bless.